So, I've been noticing something really disturbing lately. People are using AI to write their emails, people are using AI to write their code, people are using AI for literally everything, whatever they ask. Like, even if you want to buy a grocery, even if you want to take a critical decision in your life, or even if you want to text someone, people are literally using AI. I get it. I use AI too, but the point is, AI is incredibly powerful tool. We are slowly, completely and quietly losing the ability to learn. While everyone uses the same kind of AI tool, let it be ChatGPT, Claude or Grok, they use the same tools and all get the same kind of similar answers. But the people who succeed are the ones who understand what they are doing, understand what they are building, and understand each and every part of what the AI answers.
Wake up, Daddy's home.
Welcome home, son.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dhanush and I talk about AI, coding, cybersecurity, developers, tools and much more. If you're someone interested in this type of content, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as it would really mean a lot.
I can't subscribe to that.
So in this video, I'm going to give you certain things that you must keep learning even in the age of AI. AI is not going to take your job, but someone who knows how to use AI better than you, yeah, they might. We are in the weird moment where the tools are getting smarter, but I watch people who are getting dumber. They copy paste AI's output without reading it. They trust it blindly. They stop building their own understanding of things. And when something breaks, the AI gives a wrong answer, then they have nothing to do because no foundation, no understanding, and they talk too much, again asking AI just to defend their work. The people are going to absolutely dominate the next decade are the ones who use AI as a tool, not as a replacement for their brain. So let's get on to crucial things which we need to take seriously. First one is critical thinking. This is something AI can't replace. This is going to be a number one, and I'm going to say this as clearly as I can. Critical thinking is the most important skill you can have right now. People are outsourcing to your AI. Critical thinking is the ability to look at information, ask, is this actually true? Is this logical? Is the security vulnerability which was raised is correct or not? Is the code snippet correct or not? Is the code output or the business logic did the AI solve or not? Here's what's happening. AI is so incredibly confident even when it's completely wrong. I've seen ChatGPT, Claude say things which doesn't exist. I've seen Copilot generate code that compiles perfectly but still breaks in production. If you don't know how to question what you're reading, whether it's from AI, a blog post, or your manager's consent, or a post on Twitter, or Facebook, or Instagram, you're just going to keep making bad decisions. How do you build it? Simple. Next time you read something, whether from an AI or anywhere else, ask 3 questions. How do I know this is true? What are they not saying? Does this actually make sense in the real world? Do this every day. It's a muscle. Build it. Next is prompt engineering. I know, this term sounds a bit overhyped, but hear me out. Prompt engineering is basically knowing how to talk to AI in a way that gets you genuinely useful output versus garbage. I tell you right now, most people are terrible at it. They type one vague sentences and they say AI is useless. No, your prompt was useless. The people who are getting insane results from AI, they know how to give it context. They know how to specify format, they know how to tell the AI what role to play, what to avoid, what the output should look like. This is a learnable skill. Study it, practice it because the same task with a bad prompt gives you a C grade answer and with a great prompt gives you A+. Think of it like AI is very powerful but very little genie. It gives you exactly what you ask for, so ask better.
Never ask the question.
Next is data literacy. We are living in a world where every company, every product, every decision is driven by data. And most people cannot read a graph correctly. I'm not saying this, you need to become a data scientist. I'm saying you need to be able to look at data and understand what it's actually telling you versus what someone wants you to think it's telling you. Here's a real world example. You see a chart that says productivity increased 40% after we experimented this tool. But the chart from the lowest point of the year, that's not proof, that's manipulation. If you can't read data, you're going to be manipulated by it. By the news, especially AI-generated news. Learn basic statistics. Learn how to look at a data set in Excel or Google Sheet. Learn what questions to ask about data. This one skill will make you the smartest person in most meetings.
Take that for data.
Next is coding fundamentals. I'm not saying you need to become a software engineer. I'm just saying you need to understand the software works at a basic level. Because AI can write code, it can design systems, and it also suggests many things what we need to build. I've seen people using AI to build apps, put them in production, and have no clue what the code actually does. This is literally, genuinely dangerous. Understanding variables, functions, API, databases, loops, even a conceptual level gives you the ability to digest AI properly, review what it produces, and actually fix things when they break. The best developers I know use AI constantly, but they also deeply understand what they're building. Next is research skills. In the world where AI can generate a convincing sounding answer to anything, the ability to verify things, find primary sources, and know where to actually look for reliable information is incredibly valuable. Here's what bad research looks like. Google a question, click the first result, read the headline, done. Here's what a good research looks like. Finding the original study, reading the methodology, especially the documentation, checking who funded it, cross-referencing with two or other sources, then forming your own questions. AI is great at summarizing things, but it's terribly weak at being right about things that happened recently. Don't outsource your research entirely to AI. Use it as a starting point, then verify. This is how journalists, academics, and great analysts think, and you can too.
Research.
Next is communication. The ability to clearly explain what you think, what you have built, what a problem is, and what a solution looks like is an insanely valuable skill. If you can't explain your ideas clearly in writing or in conversation, it doesn't matter how technically brilliant you are, you'll be invisible. Write more, blog, make videos, send better emails, participate in discussions. And here's a counterintuitive tip. Don't use AI to write everything you see. Use AI to review what you wrote and help you improve it. That way, you're building the skill, not just producing an output.
What we've got here is failure to communicate.
Next is system thinking. This is the ability to see things and how they connect with each other. Not just the actions caused by result, but this action causes this result, which then affects the thing which feeds back into the other thing. Most people think it's straight lines. Great thinkers think in loops and networks. When you are building a product, changing a process, making a decision, ask yourself, what are the downstream effects? What might break? What could go wrong that isn't obvious? That is how engineers think. It's how great product managers think, and it's incredibly rare. The best way to build this, study complex systems, read about history, biology, economics, notice how things in the real world are interconnected. Your brain will start doing it automatically. Next is creativity. Look, AI can generate images, it can even do a drawing, it can write stories, compose music, and a lot more. I've seen it, it's impressive, but here's the thing. AI creates by remixing what already exists. It's an incredibly sophisticated remix machine. Original ideas that come from live experience, weird observation, genuine emotions, a specific perspective, those still come from humans. And this is why building a curiosity is so important. Because the more rich and diverse your experiences are, the more original and surprising ideas you'll get. And in the world where everyone has access to the same AI tools generating the same kind of content, originality is going to be an extremely rare and extremely valuable thing. Don't let AI flatten your creativity. Use it to amplify original ideas, not to replace having them.
We need a plan of attack.
I have a plan. Attack.
Next, focus on deep work. The ability to sit with one problem, one task, one idea for an extended period of time without distraction is becoming genuinely rare. We are living in the era of infinite distractions, short videos, notifications. AI gives you instant answers, so you have never have to sit with a hard problem longer enough to actually solve it yourself. Protect your focus, turn off notifications, work on blogs, read long form content. Train your brain to stay with hard things. The people who focus are going to produce work that is a completely different league from everyone else.
I work hard, I work fast, and I get hot legs.
Next is collaboration and emotional intelligence. Here's a reality check. Almost nothing meaningful happens alone. Every great product was built by a team. Every successful startup has a co-founder or a core group. Every amazing career involves people who helped you, referred you, believed in you. AI doesn't have relationship. AI doesn't fight for you in a hiring room. AI doesn't introduce you to the person who changed your career. People do. And the ability to work well with others, to listen, to empathize, to give and receive feedback gracefully, to navigate conflict. That is not soft. This is hard, and most people are bad at it. Invest in your emotional intelligence. Read about it, practice it, and genuinely invest in the people around you. The network you built over a decade is one of the most valuable assets you will ever have.
He seems to lack the basic intelligence required for pretty much everything.
Next is learning how to learn. The half-life of any specific skill, let it be a programming language, a tool, or any framework, is getting shorter every year. What's relevant today might be obsolete in the next 3 years, which means the ability to pick up a new skill quickly is worth more than any other single skill you have right now. Do you know own learning style? Do you know the difference between physics and chemistry? Do you know how to understand the concept of deliberate practice? Most people learn by reading something once and hoping it sticks. That's not learning, that's exposure. Real learning is engaging with material, applying it immediately, getting feedback, struggling through hard problems, and coming back to review. Use AI to create practice exercise for yourself. Use it to quiz you on what you just studied. Use it to explain concepts in different ways until you actually get it. The faster you can learn, the more valuable you become.
I'm learning.
Next is self-awareness and direction. Knowing who you are, what you actually want, what matters to you, what kind of work gives you energy versus what drains you is very essential. In a world where AI can suggest careers, write your resume, give you a roadmap, it's literally really easy to just follow what the AI tells you to. What's trending, what pays the most. But none of that matters if you're chasing money, else definition of success. The people I admire most, the ones who are genuinely fulfilled and doing great work, but having a really clear sense of what they are building towards. They are not drifting, they are just consuming. They have direction. Take time to reflect. Think about what you actually want your life to look alike. Talk to people who have done things you admire, because all the skills in the world won't help you if you're optimizing for a destination you'll never actually choose.
Listen carefully. If you do exactly as I say, I can get you out of here.
Look, AI is not an enemy. AI is one of the most powerful tools humans have ever created. So let's quickly recap the 12 things. Critical thinking, question everything, including AI. Prompt engineering, learn to talk to AI properly. Data literacy, read data without being manipulated by it. Coding fundamentals, understand the tools even if you don't build them. Research skills, find what actually true. Communication, explain your ideas clearly. System thinking, see the bigger picture. Creativity, have origin ideas, don't just remix. Focus on deep work, protect your attention. collaboration, build real relationship, learning how to learn, the meta skill, self-awareness, knowing what you actually want. If you stop learning, stop thinking, stop building your own skills, you will become dependent on a tool that's going to keep changing, keep evolving, and one day produce output that you can't even evaluate anymore. Consider the AI tools which you're using. Currently, some of them are free and some of them are paid. What if in a certain year, the cost of all AI tools become totally higher and you won't have enough effort to just buy those AI tools or enough money to buy AI tools? Or what if an AI tool goes on an outage? What will you do? So stay sharp, keep learning, use AI to go further, not as an excuse to go nowhere. If this video has helped you, please do share it with someone who thinks they need to hear this. And if you want more content like this, subscribe. I've got a lot more coming. See you in the next one. Take care.